How to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly wear multiple hairs on the Roblox. So to learn how to combine or blend hair using a specific device, start by opening your browser and visit roblox.com in the search bar and hit enter. Then make sure that you're logged into your specific Roblox account. Then tap on continue in the browser. And next, tap on the three dots, then select desktop site if you're in the mobile phone, or simply go to your profile if you're using the PC version. After that, go to the avatar section and hold on the head and body. Choose any hair you would like, then tap and hold the hair you wish to blend. Copy the link address, go to advanced, hold down the assist ID, paste the link, and save. Remember not to use 3D items when blending the hair. Once done, tap and hold on accessories, tap on the face, and hold down the desired hair. Copy the link address, go to advanced, paste the link, and save. Repeat the process if you want to add more face accessories, and this tutorial is mainly for the mobile users. If you're using a laptop or PC, go to roblox.com and log in and follow the steps. For iPhone or iPad users, visit roblox.com, log in, and tap to continue in the browser and select Request Desktop Site and proceed with the steps. So this was all about how can you wear multiple hairs on Roblox. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.